Here in Key Largo, we're a mile and a half wide. So you're just seeing the Florida trees. Yeah. Once you get down to mile marker 84, the islands start to skinny down a little bit. The bridges start to get a little bit longer. You start to see our beautiful turquoise water all around. Key Largo is the biggest one. We're 18 miles wide, but like I said, here the islands get smaller, so it's a bunch of bridges. You can't escape the water. It's awesome. This is one of the most beautiful drives in the country, in my opinion. By the way, here in the Keys, our addresses are pretty much done by mile marker because we only have one road. Oh. So one road can't get lost, but on the flip side of that, one road, so if there's an accident or there's traffic, there's no detours. Yeah. But yeah, you'll see addresses done by mile marker. You got Bayside, Oceanside, you'll see that on there as well.
Hey babe, what you eat?
Key lime pie in Key Largo. That's all I wanted to do here. I didn't really even want to go to the beach. I just wanted key lime pie and Key Largo. That's all. But if this is tart, I'll make the tart face. It's a little tart. It's good.
The lizard this big, so high off the ground.
Where is he? Where'd he go?
Let's see if I can push it out.
What in the world? What the heck? Did you guys see that lizard? Random parking lot in the Florida Keys. I guess that's how they do here. It's probably somebody's escaped pet. Acting like it's normal here. Maybe it's normal here.
It's funny.
Okay, what was the name of the place we just ate at? High Tide. Okay, friends, we just ate at High Tide. We're not foodies. We don't eat out like hardly ever. But I just wanted to have key lime pie and coconut shrimp when I came to the Keys. And so I was frivolous. That's what I did. And it was good. So now we're going to go find water somewhere, right?
Mm-hmm. That's exactly.
Do you know the name of the place? And anyway, we were about to get in the truck after we had lunch, and I was already in the truck, and Dean was like, "Babe, come here." So I go out there with the camera, and there was that big old some kind of lizard. So that was random and cool. Okay, I did want to tell you that restaurant that we ate at had the best key lime pie I have ever had. The coconut shrimp was completely edible. And we had water. So I had pie and the coconut shrimp salad, and we spent $26. And when I looked online, that was you know how you look and see how many dollar signs to see how inexpensive a restaurant's going to be? That was a $1 sign restaurant. And I had a salad and a pie. Dean didn't have anything. $26. So there's that. And we didn't make it all the way down to like Key West or anything. You want to tell them about that?
We're going to go ahead and go down to Marathon and down in that area, so we can at least experience some of the Keys where you're actually going across the bridges. However, because there is only one road, when that road gets an accident, it backs traffic back. And it was going to be too long of a wait for us to be able to get down there, enjoy the day, and then come all the way back to the Everglades where we're staying for the night. So we had to turn around. So then we thought, well, we'll come up here, and there's a little municipal park that has beach access and things like that. And that wasn't as intriguing as we thought it might be. So I think we've decided just to head back to the Everglades. Call Southern Florida done now. Keys are checked off the bucket list, and we're ready for another adventure.
Yeah. So mostly we ended up just doing Key Largo. something useful out of this video. We always have fun with you, and until next time.